Especially the ventilation design relies on very individual components, and the range offered by different manufacturers is almost endless. This makes the seamless integration of original manufacturer components into your design very important. Today, I will demonstrate how you can easily implement this with the linear solutions. For this purpose, I've prepared a small ventilation project in which the supply air and exhaust air systems have already been designed. To show you the possibilities in detail, let's look at the exhaust air system and especially the diffusers used in it. Currently, neutral diffusers from the linear families are integrated here. In the next step, we will now replace these with suitable diffusers from the manufacturer trucks. To do this, I start the linear CAD browser and navigate to the truck's air diffusers. I select the matching model series and click on Select Product. Unlike most CAD models in the linear CAD browser, which are stored directly, we work here usefully via an interface directly with the manufacturer. At Trucks, this works via the Trucks Easy Product Finder, which now starts automatically. Here, I select and configure the desired component. I decide on a square exhaust air diffuser with a damper blade and a size of 400 × 16. We set the volume flow rate to 400 cubic meters per hour, and the selected volume flow rate is also used to calculate the correlating pressure loss for different blade positions. This is specified here as 20 Pascal with the blade open. We confirm the configuration and now have the individual component available in the CAD browser. We continue to work with it as we would do with all other CAD elements in the browser. I use the Replace All function and can now replace both exhaust air outlets diffusers in the project at once. In the properties, you can already see that the neutral component has now been exchanged to the truck's diffuser. This is now also taken into account in the ventilation network calculation. I start the calculation, and then we will take a closer look at one of the diffusers. I get the calculated results via the technical component data. Here you can see the calculated pressure loss, the blade position, and also the results of the sound level calculation. The blade position is automatically calculated on the basis of the pressure loss balancing, here 16 Pascal. In this context, please note that if the blade is at a maximum, for example fully closed with 90 degrees, the program will inform you with an error message so that you can take suitable actions with additional control elements such as volume flow controllers in order to achieve a working hydraulic balance. Back to the project. Via the component dialog, you can also diagonally make a variant consideration. For example, if we change the volume flow rate from 400 to 300 and recalculate the network, we immediately see the effect. Both the pressure loss and the sound level data now provide different results. Due to the lower pressure loss, a higher adjustment must be made and the blade position increases. This also leads to new sound level results. Everything perfectly integrated, precisely calculated. The intelligent components of Linear, in close cooperation with the manufacturers, allow a seamless integration into the model and also correct and detailed results within the network calculation. Workflow instead of workaround.